Hello guys, and you see my skin, guys? Yes, you know who is this guy. A YouTuber.
A guy?
Yeah, but it's a girl design of him. So, if you guys are a fan of Jacksepterguy, this skin will be a really good skin for you. So I'll description this skin down below. And yeah, it's gonna be my roleplay skin. And yeah, so this is a new roleplay, so yeah, I guess enjoy the roleplay series. The roleplay, how much episode is gonna be 18 episode of this roleplay. So yeah, and we're gonna go to season 2, and yeah, so hope you guys enjoy. So the people who is gonna be doing in this roleplay, sometime Kitten Gamer could be in the roleplay, and so
And let's get started.
yeah, so yeah, let's get started, guys, to the video. Then talking about skin, but the skin will be in the description below. Yeah, so like, subscribe if you want more of this episode, and yeah, and you just look at my screen. So,
I didn't even look.
let's get started with music. Let's get started to the video. Oh, this morning. Wow, it's really pretty today. Mom already been gone for like already 5 months already. Oh, my pet fish. I need to look after you every day. I cannot stop looking after you. Play basketball. And yeah, I'm gonna check on sis. Okay. I'm the small one in the family. I don't like that. Okay. Good morning, sis. I mean, good night, sis. But anyway, wake up. I have some water one, which is like water inside it. Come on.
What?
Wake up.
It's nighttime.
Yeah, make dinner. You didn't even make us a dinner.
Why should I make dinner?
Well, you're the oldest.
Yeah.
So, you need to make it.
Well, Mom didn't leave us some food.
She already left us already 5 months ago.
I love that t-shirt.
What?
Mommy.
Ooh, sandwich. Did you make this? They taste so good.
No, I didn't.
What?
I didn't.
Someone stranger left us a food.
Maybe it's Mom.
Huh?
Mom.
Mom already left us for 5 months. She said she's still in London.
Yeah, maybe she left that and... Oh.
No.
Wait, put your head up.
Why?
Put it up. Oh. Something wrong is with your neck.
What?
Things wrong with your neck.
Oh, there's nothing wrong.
Yes, it's like an eye and dirt mouth from like mine.
Nah, you're just crazy.
I'm not.
You
And
just-
what am I even holding? I cannot see anything. What am I holding at?
You're holding that. And I'm gonna eat something. Just wash my tools and we just look at
Wait,
the
am I holding two things?
mirror. Let me see how it looks like. Perfecto. I look perfect. Oopsie. So make breakfast. I mean lunch. I mean dinner.
Ew!
There you go. Okay, let's just wash my tools. Go. Look, she's having a little bus. He was looking to the back, so that's alright. This is so nice and warm. I like it. Sound is from random places. Like so much sound I can hear. Oh, I can hear it. That was stop it!
What?
Yeah. Stop it.
What?
We need
I'm practicing.
for music class.
Are you in normal school or high school?
Now we're still in normal school. We're still in primary.
We know little kids.
No, I mean you're year 5 and I'm year 4.
It's flat. Oh.
Okay, well,